Surprise, mother effers. This is the first episode of Bret's Effin Kitchen, and we will be making an instant ramen with Ava. What's up, mother effers? Welcome to the first episode of Bret's Effin Kitchen. Today we will be making a ramen with Ava. Say hi, Ava. I thought you were gonna say, "What's up, unicorns?" Okay, so let's get started. So it's a very, very simple recipe. Yeah, Ava?
Yeah!
First things first, we need to boil 500 milliliters of water. Are you ready? So this is about 3 cups of water right here in this bowl, and we will be adding it to the pot. First, we'll do that. All right. Let's go ahead and turn it on, yeah? Boil. While we wait for this to start boiling, we'll go ahead and open up the ramen. You want to open it? You want to open it? Oh. Need some help there? Okay, let me get it. Alright, so it's open. A little bit of it is now on the floor. Next, we will wait for the water to come to a boil, and we'll be right back in a minute.
Is it bubbly?
And we are back. The water is at a boil. So next, we will be adding the noodles. This part, it can be a little bit dangerous, so Ava, I'll take care of this part, okay? Here we go. So you just put the noodles in the water. And next, you wait 3 minutes. So guess what? We'll see you again in 3 minutes. And we are back. It's been about 3 minutes. The noodles are done. So we will go ahead and add them to our bowl. While Ava is over there stirring some of that. Here we go.
And Ava is making my choices.
Careful, Ava, okay? It's hot.
This right here.
Yeah.
This is far enough.
Okay. And next, we will be adding the soup base. For the list of ingredients, see the description below. Go ahead and add that. Good job.
Now put some in mine.
I guess we're gonna put some in that thing of water over there too.
Here you go, Daddy.
Okay, so done with that. We'll go ahead. You stir yours, and I'll give this one over here a stir.
And mine looks like a little bit brown.
Yeah, yours looks a little bit brown. This one looks good. And there we go. Feel free to add some eggs, some meat, whatever you want. Yeah, Ava? So, this was a very simple recipe. Go ahead, make it anytime at home. And we'll see you later. Yeah, Ava? You wanna say bye?
I want to put eggs in mine.
You want to put eggs in yours? Well, we could do that off camera. And we will see you mother effers later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of My Effin Life, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.